This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make Google your search engine in the Microsoft Edge browser. I'm going to jump over to Microsoft Edge here. Your default search engine in the Microsoft Edge browser is Bing. Some people may not care for Bing. If you want to change that to Google, it's very easy to do. All you got to do is go up to the three-dot hamburger menu in the upper right-hand corner, select that, go down to where it says Settings and select that. Now in the pane off to the left-hand side here, you want to select Privacy, Search, and Services. And then you'll scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see it says Services. And down here where it says Address Bar and Search, you want to click the little arrow off to the side here. Now where it says Search Engine Used in Address Bar, as you can see it has the default Bing here, but you could click the drop down arrow and you just change it to Google right here. It gives you a list of options here. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to Google, and that's it. That's how you change your search engine to Google using the Microsoft Edge browser. Thanks for watching.